What's good, everybody? I hope everybody's having a good day. If you're new to this channel, make sure to like the video, make sure to share with your friends, and last but not least, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell while you at it. So in the last video, y'all saw me teach y'all how to do the donuts. You know, I did it to the left and also did it to the right. And that last video, I didn't do a transition though, so that's what this video is for, as well as the figure eights, which is going to be coming later in this video. But in the last one, y'all saw me do the donuts. I stopped the donut, then I just turned around the car and then, you know, went the other direction. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to just keep it going, keep carrying momentum, and then you spin the car around 180 degrees, and then you keep going the other direction when you're doing donuts. And then as for the figure eights, I'm gonna show y'all kind of this technique, which is not new, is well known in the drifting world, which is left foot braking. And we're gonna teach y'all how to do that in combination with figure eights and how to, you know, kind of transition. So without further ado, we're gonna throw the GoPro on my head. We're gonna get straight into it. All right, so like I said, we're gonna show y'all how to just do the figure eight, or not the figure eights. We're gonna show y'all how to do the transitions. So basically, like I said, the same thing from the last video. Make sure the car's in manual, make sure the traction's off. You're gonna wanna, like I said, do a brake stand, get the wheels spinning, initiate it, and then once you initiated it, you're gonna hold a donut or two, however many you would like to go in the one direction. Then when you're ready, you're gonna basically, while you're counter steering, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna turn in hard, and the car's gonna flip around. You don't wanna turn in like do a bunch of steering. That's not necessary, because when you're counter steering doing a donut, especially in a spot like this, your counter steering is gonna be right about here. It's gonna be right about here. So all you're gonna wanna do is basically get the wheels to almost point straight / like kind of go a little bit this way. That's enough to get the momentum and just flip it around. Then once you do that, you're gonna wanna stay on the gas, and then you're gonna keep going. You're gonna go the other direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that now. Safety first real quick. Y'all know how that is. And we're gonna do 1.5 donuts. And then once I'm like halfway into the second one, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is how you do it. See how I turn it around? So the reason that my car the diff unlocked and I one-wheeled like that is because of the pavement. That usually won't happen, but that's because of the pavement that I'm on right now. So there's not a huge deal, but you get the concept is the same though. Once you flip it, you keep going, and you basically hold the donut like you would before. All right. So now for the figure eights. So how do you do figure eights? So basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna initiate it just like you did the donut. So you're gonna do the brake stand, you're gonna basically brake traction in the car, and once you are like going and holding a donut one direction, you're gonna basically flip it, and as you're flipping it, you're gonna wanna like hit the left, you're gonna basically left foot brake and stay on the gas. And while you're doing that, you're basically, it's gonna like spin you around the other direction, and the same applies when you flip it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to show y'all that right now. So update, I couldn't really hit at the last spot because somebody pulled up over there. You know how that be. Right now I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Like I said, the concept remains the same. You initiate, you hold it, and as you're going around, you basically want to like start turning into the right, and as you turn into the right, you want to get on the brake a little bit with your left foot. As you start left foot braking, you're gonna stay on the gas. You have to stay on the gas, especially if your car don't got like a lot of power. Stay on the gas, and then you'll be able to like kind of just drive out of it. So I'm gonna show y'all that, how y'all do that right now. Left foot brake. I fucked it up a little bit. Left foot brake. cracking in this, boy. Okay. Alright, so there y'all go. That's how y'all do the transitions and the figure eights. I know y'all seen in the one part where I was doing the figure eights, so I kind of messed it up because I had to keep holding the donut to kind of correct myself. But it happened because I added too much steering to the left when I was going to the left about the transition, and when I went to go transition, I added steering a little too late. So that's one of the main reasons why you guys need to try that type of stuff, especially if you're a beginner at figure eights. Definitely don't do it on no, you feel me, like a 2-lane thing. Don't do it on that. Go ahead and try that in like a big parking lot, or go to, Mexico, find a parking lot in Mexico, go to the track, get a private lot, or if you have a private lot at your disposal, go ahead and use that. You want to find stuff that is there's nothing around. You don't want anything around you. You don't want no poles, you don't want no cars, you really don't want people. You just want to use area that's really open, because it'll give you runoff area, and that's very important, especially when you're learning and you're in the beginning stages of learning how to transition or just do figure eights. Transitions, you can kind of do it in a little bit smaller area, but I still recommend using a bigger area with more space to work with. If y'all liking these videos, y'all let me know. Do y'all like these tutorial, kind of teaching y'all how to do stuff? If you do, drop a comment, let me know. Also like the video while y'all at it, because it really helps me out. I appreciate it. I seen a few new subscribers come around, so I appreciate y'all as well. I'm probably gonna announce giveaway stuff in the next video, in the part 3, where I teach y'all how to exit and do like basically carrying a slide into a drift, and also manji exiting. So that's part 3, is coming out very soon, so y'all be on the lookout for that. But without further ado, this video is over. Again, like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Make sure to share with your peoples, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.